Taladro magnético M18 FUEL de 1,5 pulgadas.
The M18 FUEL is excellent. The power that the M18 has is incredible. You wouldn't even know it was battery powered. It's got the same amount of power as a quartered one. You grab it, go, and you start drilling. It's real quick, it's light, it's real easy to maneuver.
In all the applications I've used the M18 mag drill in, I haven't seen any power loss or any difference from a corded mag drill. We use the M18 mag drill to drill 1/2 inch, 2.5 inch holes, and 1/4 inch steel up to inch thick I-beam. Where we used the corded mag drills before, they'd actually walk on the 1/4 inch steel.
The Milwaukee mag held up real well on the 1/4 inch. It stuck real well, didn't slip, didn't move, and the drill went through with no problem.
The magnet itself is independent. It doesn't need a generator or an extension cord to keep the magnet engaged. And it's right down to a one-man operation. The weight is amazing, and you stick it to the tower, it holds great, it drills beautifully.
I was really pleased to see how strong the magnet is and also how powerful the drill is itself.
We drill a 1360 bolt very often. It's one of our most common bolts that we use. When you fully charge it, you can get plenty of hours of work out of it.
With this one, with the independent magnet and just being battery operated, even if the battery dies, the magnet's still there.
It's a great drill. I love it.
Más rápido que el de cable. Sostén magnético más fuerte en acero de 1/4 pulgadas. 40 agujeros de 13-16 pulgadas por carga.